Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is the Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard. This is a brand new 2026. This is located at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, powered with the V8 300 horsepower Mercury. And hold on right there just a second. I want to show you one other thing. So we do have a freshwater shower on the back of this boat. So little pull-out sprayer, freshwater tank on board. Want to rinse yourself off when you get out of the water. Got a nice sun lounger back here in the back with a cooler underneath right here. So you want a cold drink, just lift up that leg rest right there, reach underneath. As you'll notice all around in the boat, this has got sea deck all over the place. So it's going to be real comfortable under your feet. You don't have to keep your sandals on or your slides on, whatever you want to call them, because you've got that nice soft sea deck all over the place. Even here on the gunnels, we've got sea deck on there. So when you're going on and off from the side, when you're boarding the boat, so you've got a nice sea deck step right there, and then below that we've got a fold out boarding step there as well. Great seating in the cockpit on this 26 SLX. So you've got this L-shaped seating to the port side, then a double wide seat on the starboard side. I really like the captain's and the co-captain's chair up front here. These look like they're right out of a sports car, contoured to fit your body. Tilt steering wheel. Same on the passenger side over there as well. Flip up thigh rise bolsters on both of them. So if you want to stand up, you can stand up comfortably, or you can sit down and drive. This boat does have a marine head on it. So this is a real marine head. This is not a porta potty. It's got a holding tank on it. So when you pull up to the fuel dock, you can get your holding tank and you're not carrying a porta potty off the boat with you. Little glove box there. Two 7-inch Simrad displays. So all of your engine information is going to be on there, but you're also going to have your GPS on there, your fish finder, your depth finder on that. Everything controlled right there. Fusion Marine stereo on here. Going to the bow of this boat, one thing that I love that Sea Ray does is carry their width a little further forward so they don't come to such a sharp point in the front, because look how much room this gives you up in the front of this boat. Plenty of room to stretch out. If I want to get really comfortable, I've got some armrests there. I've got grab handles so that you feel that you're secure in the boat when you're sitting here. There's drink holders throughout. There's also a little table that goes in right here. So there's a table post that goes right there, and then there's a table that slides in. Your electric anchor windlass is tucked neatly under a lid in the very bow of the boat. The finish work on this boat is extraordinary. You need to come take a look at it in person. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call on my cell phone if you want to know more about it, 904-625-6146.